How to log out Plex account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can log out of the Plex account. For this, go ahead and open the Plex app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can easily download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, if you want to log out of your Plex account for some reason, then all you have to do is follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now you have different options here such as account, Plex home, manage library access, and much more. Go ahead and tap on the first option, which is account. As soon as you do that, you will have all the information about your account here. Now, if you want to log out of your current Plex account, go ahead and tap on the sign out option. As soon as you tap on the sign out option, you will be successfully logged out of your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.